Guys, another combo card po tayo for today. Ayan, ang ating picture na hahanapin is eto po, short squeeze, long squeeze at saka license Philippines. Yung short squeeze at saka long squeeze ay mahanap sa specials. Ayan, specials at saka punta mo sa new cards pala, new cards. Ayan, short squeeze, go ahead. Tapos, ito naman yung balik natin sa new cards. Ito naman yung long squeeze. Ayan, okay, dalawa na guys. Tapos yung isa naman ay license Philippines, makikita dito sa legal. License, ito, nasa dulo guys. License Philippines. Okay, go ahead. Okay, na-claim na po guys. Gawin nyo na po. Madali lang. Ayan. Ayan, na-claim ko na po.